Guys, welcome to the workout today. This is something I want you to do if you're having shoulder problems, okay? I want you to start with can openers where your thumbs are facing down, the tops of your hands are facing inward. You're keeping your hands turned over, internally rotated there, and you're just doing about 20 can openers. Next, we're going to go to rotation. So keep those elbows high and just rotate your hands up to the sky and then back down toward the ground, okay? This is internal and external rotation here. We're going to go about 20 reps on there as well, okay? Good job, guys. Okay, after that, we're going to do another type of internal-external rotation where your elbows are like they're glued to your side and you're just moving your hands in and out, okay? We're going to go about 20 reps on there as well. All right, good job, guys. Next, we're going to go to upright rows. So as you can see, I'm just pulling my elbows up to the ceiling and then coming back down, okay? 20 reps on there also. And this is all, I'm telling you 20 reps, but you can go 10 to 20. Just see how your shoulders feel on this. Supine lat raise is the next one. You're keeping your palms up, your thumbs are still out, okay? And we're going 20 reps, just coming out to the side and back down, okay? Make sure you're standing nice and tall. Next, you're just gonna turn your hands over so they're pronated. We're gonna do a prone lat raise. Thumbs are still out, but palms are facing back, and we're gonna go 20 reps there. These are all exercises you can just do each day without any weight, just to help those shoulders feel a little bit better if you have any kind of injury or they've been tight or just some kind of tweak in there, something that's been bothering you. But that's all you have to do. All right. Thank you, guys. Go out and make it a great day.